Welcome students. Let's understand real numbers and see how they appear on the number line. Any number that can be represented on the number line is called a real number. A number line is a straight line used to order and compare numbers. 0 is the reference point on the number line. The numbers to the right of 0 are called positive numbers, and the numbers to the left of 0 are called negative numbers. The numbers used for counting are called natural numbers, denoted by the symbol n. If we add 0 to the collection of natural numbers, we get another set called whole numbers, denoted by w. Adding the negatives of natural numbers to the whole numbers gives us a new set called integers, denoted by I or z. The gaps between the integers are filled by rational and irrational numbers. A rational number is any number that can be written in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and the denominator q is not 0. Rational numbers have terminating or repeating decimal representation. For example, 1 by 2, minus 3 by 4, and 1 by 3. There are still some mysterious numbers that cannot be written in the form p by q. These are called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers have non-terminating and non-repeating decimal representation. For example, square root of 2 and pi. Let's see how we can locate some irrational numbers on the number line. Draw a horizontal line. At point 1 on the line, draw a perpendicular line segment of unit length. Join 0 to the top of the perpendicular. This forms the hypotenuse of a right-angled triangle with both sides 1 unit long. By Pythagorean theorem, the length of hypotenuse is square root of 2. Keeping the compass at 0 and hypotenuse as radius, draw an arc on the number line. The point where the arc meets the line represents square root of 2. Using the same method, we can locate other irrational numbers as well. So, is there any number left out of the number line? The answer is no. Every point on the number line represents a unique real number. When you combine all the rational numbers with all the irrational numbers, you get the complete set of real numbers, represented by R. Every real number is either rational or irrational, nothing else.